Friends, in this video, let us discuss the Spearman's coefficient of rank correlation. The one more model which can be used for the purpose of calculating the correlation between the two variables. Introduction. See, Carl Pearson method is based on the assumption that the population under study is distributed normally. So this model is applicable if you assume that the population is distributed normally. Then, so when it is known that the population is not normal or the shape of the distribution is not known, there is a need for a measure of correlation which involves no assumption about the parameter of the population. See, as I mentioned in the first row, see, when the population is normally distributed, we can apply Carl Pearson's correlation coefficient. But if it is known that the population is not normally distributed, or if the shape of the distribution is not known, in such cases we need to have one more different type of model supposed to be used to calculate the correlation coefficient. And one more, Carl Pearson's method can be used for calculating the correlation between only if the characteristics under study are quantitative in nature. If the characteristics are not quantitative in nature, or if they are qualitative in nature, so in such cases Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation cannot be used to find out the correlation. It cannot be used in cases where the characteristics under study are like qualitative, like honesty, efficiency, intelligence, etc. So if you wanted to measure the honesty of two people at different times, or if you wanted to rank the people according to the honesty, and if you wanted to find out the correlation, so in such cases Carl Pearson's coefficient cannot be used, because honesty cannot be measured in terms of quantity, efficiency cannot be measured in terms of quantity. So in such cases we have to depend upon other model, and that model is called as Spearman's coefficient of rank correlation. So this is the formula which is used for calculating the Spearman's correlation coefficient. R is equal to 1 minus summation into 6 summation d square minus divided by n3 minus n. I'll repeat, R is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square whole divided by n3 n to the power of 3 minus n. So here d is equal to the rank of first variable minus rank of second variable, difference bit of the ranks between paired items in two series. Then R1 minus R2 are the ranks given to the paired items in two series. N is equal to number of stands for number of pairs, okay, or number of observations. So note, if there are two or more items ranked equal, the ranks are assigned for the purpose of calculating coefficient of correlation is the average of the ranks which these individuals would have got. So suppose if the two values or two items get same rank, say for example 3 and 4, so in that case you have to take the average of that. So 3 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 3.5. You have to assign 3.5 for both the items. Similarly, if there are three items gets the same rank, third, fourth and fifth they get the same rank, so in that case 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 3, so we'll get the value of 4. The average of these three values are like 4, so we have to assign 4 rank to all the three. So in such cases the model need to be adjusted. Okay, the adjusted formula is this: R is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square. Okay, so this will be same, then plus 1 divided by 12 into m1 to the power of 3 minus m1 plus 1 divided by 12 into m2 to the power 3 minus m2 plus similarly it goes to the n number. So then whole divided by n3 minus n. Okay, here what is m? M is equal to number of items, number of times an item is ranked equal. For example, Okay, the first number, the first three numbers are having equal number is like third, fourth, and fifth. So this is the first item. So now we'll take this as m. So here, since three items are getting same rank, so m is equal to 3 here to the power 3. Okay, I'll repeat. Since three numbers are having equal ranks, so here m is equal to 3 to the power 3. And one more in the same series, one more two more values are getting same ranks. Say for example 8th and 9th one. 8 plus 9 divided by 2 is equal to 8.5. We are assigning 8.5 rank to both. Okay, in this case, since there are two values or two numbers getting equal rank, so here m is equal to m2 is equal to 2 to the power 3. So similarly you have to consider the remaining ranks too. Okay, now there is a problem. Calculate the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient between x and y. So x is given here, y is given. So the first step we have to do in this kind of problem is you have to rank the x series and y series. Let us do that. Okay, now this is the model n minus summation, 6 into summation d square divided by n3 minus n. Okay, look at here, x, the ranks are given. The first value, that is 35, gets first rank, and 56 the highest value, that is the first rank, it gets the first rank. 35 is the least value, it gets the 10th rank. Similarly, y series, 55 is the highest value, that gets the first rank, and 31 which gets the 10th value, and that is the lowest value, so therefore 31 gets the 10th rank. Now in the next column, so here in this column, let us find out d, which is equal to r1 minus r2. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 7 minus 5, 2. 6 minus 6, 0. 5 minus 10 is equal to minus 5. 4 minus 3 is equal to plus 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to plus 1. 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Then 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let us find out d square. So 3 square is equal to 9. 0, 0. 2 square is equal to 4. 0. 5 is equal to square root 4. Square root 5 is equal to 25. 1 square 1. 1 square 1. 2 square 4. 0 square 0. So summation d square is equal to 44. Now let us substitute the values to the formula. So here 1 minus 6 into 44 divided by 10 to the power 3 minus 10. Okay, fine. So that we get the value here. So r is equal to 1 minus 264 divided by 990. So the final answer r is equal to 0.2667. So therefore the r is equal to 0.733. It indicates a strong positive correlation between the variable x and y. D square is 130. So here 6 into 130. Yeah, 6 is outside the bracket we put there. Yeah. Okay, so this bracket I have ignored here. So this bracket 130 plus 1 divided with 12 into, see the first number is repeated twice. So 2 to the power 3 minus 2 plus 1 divided by 12. Again second number is also repeated twice. So 2 only, 2 to the power 3. Suppose if a number is repeated thrice, then it should be 3, and if a number is repeated 4, then m should be 4. Okay, 2 to the power 3 minus 2 whole divided by n is equal to, in our example it is 9 to the power 3 minus 9. So 1 is equal to 6 into 130 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 divided by 720. So therefore 1 is equal to, r is equal to 1 minus 6 into 131 divided by 720. Therefore r is equal to 1 minus 1.0917. So therefore finally the answer is minus 0.0917. So it indicates a weak negative correlation between the two variables, marks in economics and the marks between these two marks.